This is Fiverr, the premier marketplace for digital services. Whether you're a skilled developer or a creative designer looking for a way to outsource your talents, or perhaps a business owner seeking a professional website to showcase your services online, Fiverr is the destination for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your money from Fiverr. By the way, if you are in the market for a top-notch website or blog powered by Blogger or WordPress, check out Vector Media Solutions on Fiverr using the link down below. As an international marketplace, Fiverr connects people from various continents, so they offer a range of payment options. You can withdraw your money directly to your bank if you are in one of these countries. If not, you can use PayPal or Payoneer. Here's what you do. Log into your Fiverr account and make sure that you are in selling mode. From the dashboard, click on My Business, then Earnings. If you haven't done so yet, enable two-factor authentication using your phone number. Then add a new payment method. I prefer to use PayPal for all my freelance services, so click on Add New Payment Method to add PayPal. Fiverr will send you a one-time PIN to confirm that it's you, and then redirect it to PayPal for authentication. Once that's done, you can click on Withdraw Balance, and the money will be sent directly to your PayPal account immediately. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.